Morning, good morning, good morning. We finally made it out here. The truck barely made it, but we did make it. And we just kind of wanted to check things out. So we are still producing power. Our water tank is frozen solid. Listen to this. Yeah, frozen solid. It's a little chilly. So, but luckily we drained all the pipes and it looks like nothing burst. So that's good. Anyway, so we're gonna take a look and kind of see. We're gonna try to get drone footage of what it looks like from the top, so check it out.
This is the crazy thing.
They're warm.
No, it's about 30 degrees outside, Fahrenheit. Right around 0 Celsius. And our walls are actually warm to the touch. Now, back here...
Oh, that's cold.
On the back side, they are cold. Whoa. But where the sun is shining... I mean, that wall's probably... at least over 50. What do you think of the snow, Shep? Found your ball? Good boy. How's it going?
I'm making the head.
What you making, Eli?
We already made one snowman. I made the middle, Mom.
You're making the middle?
Yeah, I already made the middle, Kaylee.
Nice.
That's the middle. That's way too small.
That's okay, you can keep it going.
Keep it going, Mom. Keep it going. Gotcha!
All right, so we checked everything out. We had a snowball fight. We built a snowman, played around in the snow, and now we're just kind of waiting for everything to thaw so we can get back to work. So for today, I think that's all we got. Thanks for joining our adventure.